Guys, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And on today's video, I will be guiding you how to log into BBI employee account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. If you're on your desktop, open up any web browser that you're comfortable with. Here I'm going with Google Chrome and on the search URL, type in BBI employee login. Press enter on your keyboard. Now once you land on multiple search results on your interface, head over to the second link that says Employee Login in BBI website. Click on that. Then you will be taken to this page. Now in order to log in, you can simply enter your password linked with your account. So on your left hand side of this interface, you will get a password text field. There, enter your correct password, then click on enter button. Then on the next page, you will be logged into your employee account. And that's how you can simply log into BBI employee account. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.